Welcome students. Today we will study the poem The Rebel by D.J. Enright. It is our class 7th poem from Honeycomb. Do you know what is the meaning of rebel? Rebel means a person who goes against others, or it could be like going different from others. Such a social rebel is not dangerous nor vicious. He does not make other people's lives miserable, but he just wants to look different, do different, and behave differently. But certain society people do not like such rebels. Let's see what the rebel of our poem does. Our poem is actually in the form of couplets. Couplets are same as you read in Hindi the dohas. Two lined sentences. These become a couplets. Here it is talking about the nature of the rebel, and every next couplet is actually the opposite of the one before we have about it is opposite of the one which we are going to read in the preceding couplet, means the one before. So children, you may have your PDFs or you may have the book, you read there. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. It's very simple that the rebel is going to do the opposite. If anybody has long hair, the rebel will have short, and if everybody has long hair, then the rebel cuts his hair short because he wants to be the opposite, because people are going to then notice him or see what he is trying to do. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance because he wants to be the opposite. When teacher is teaching, then he won't say a word when everybody is responding. And when nobody is talking, everybody is listening, he will create a disturbance so that people will notice him. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. And when everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Soberly means he'll wear kind of uniform or something that is not very gaudy, or it would not be fancy. So he is going opposite what other people are doing. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats, and in the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Means he is going to be like, if anybody says I like cats, he will say I like dogs. And if somebody would say that he likes dogs, then he would go opposite and say the cats are better. So he is going to show up his preferences in a different way. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. He respects weather, but he is trying, it is difficult to bring the rebel on board. Means he would appreciate when people are appreciating sun, they say it is sunny, it is good weather. He would say, no, we need rain. But when it is raining and everybody is enjoying and playing in the rain, he will say, my God, why is sun not there? When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads the book because he wants to prefer to move on different paths. So when people are going for a meeting and joining in, doing something together, then he would say, no, I'm going to stay back home and read the book. But when everybody is at home, they are doing their own work, he wants to go to a meeting, he wants to meet people, he wants to do something what others are not doing. The rebel is always the opposite. When everybody says yes please, the rebel would say no thank you. And when everybody would say no thank you, we don't want it, he would say yes please, I need it. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one, but it is not always that people would want to be a rebel, because people don't accept rebels. The society does not accept them because they are always the odd one out and always causing some problem or the other. So students, you may wish to do things differently, but you wouldn't want to be a rebel because people would always pick you out and you won't be one with others. But there are still some children who go against and they become rebels. It is only because they want certain kind of attention, and people do give attention to such people. Yes, a rebel is a different one in a society. So, students, actually, we do not want to be one whom people notice because we are going against what the stream is. Rebels can also be positive, they can stay out of drama. We need to judge people by ideas. We should not be angry, and if we are, we should stop. We should influence. We should influence people by our ideas and not by making them think that we are different. We can start the flame. We want to be collective. We should share our glories and we should communicate. So, students, read through the poem and understand what a rebel does. Don't go ahead to be a rebel just because you want to be noticed. Thank you.